In the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean lies a stretch of water shrouded in fear and legend. It is a place where the laws of physics seem to bend, where compasses spin wildly, and where hundreds of ships and aircraft have vanished without a trace. It has no official name on any map, but the world knows it as the Bermuda Triangle. Are these disappearances just tragic coincidences, exaggerated by time? Or is there a dark and powerful force at work in these waters? Evidence from declassified naval reports, chilling final radio transmissions, and strange scientific anomalies suggests the truth may be more terrifying than any legend. Today, we sail into the heart of the mystery. Our investigation begins with the most famous disappearance in the Triangle's history, Flight 19. On December 5th, 1945, 5 U.S. Navy Avenger bombers took off from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, on a routine training mission. They were all manned by experienced pilots. But just a few hours into their flight, they reported that their compasses were malfunctioning and they were completely lost. The lead pilot was heard in a chilling final radio transmission saying, "Everything looks strange, even the ocean. We are entering white water. Nothing seems right." After that, all 5 planes vanished. A search and rescue plane sent to find them also disappeared that same night. In total, 6 aircraft and 27 men were lost, and not a single piece of wreckage was ever found. But it isn't just aircraft. In 1918, the USS Cyclops, a massive U.S. Navy cargo ship longer than a football field and carrying over 300 crew, was sailing through the Triangle. The ship was a modern marvel for its time. On a calm, clear day, the USS Cyclops and all 306 souls on board vanished. There was no SOS call, no wreckage, no lifeboats, and no survivors. One of the largest ships in the Navy simply ceased to exist. President Woodrow Wilson himself said, "Only God and the sea know what happened to the great ship." It remains the single largest loss of life in U.S. naval history, not involving combat. So what could be causing these strange events? Scientists have proposed several powerful natural theories. One of the most compelling is the existence of massive underwater methane gas fields. According to this theory, a sudden eruption of methane gas from the seabed could drastically reduce the density of the water. Any ship caught in this gaseous, bubbling water would lose all buoyancy and sink instantly, pulled to the bottom of the ocean in seconds. Such a catastrophic event would happen so fast, there would be no time for an SOS, leaving no trace behind. Another theory points to the Triangle's unique and violent weather patterns. The area is known as the birthplace of hurricanes and is famous for rogue waves, colossal singular waves that can reach heights of over 100 feet. A modern supertanker, let alone an older ship like the Cyclops, would be dwarfed by such a monster wave. It could be swallowed by the ocean in an instant, broken apart by the immense pressure before anyone could react. For aircraft, strange electromagnetic anomalies in the region have been documented, which could explain the malfunctioning compasses and navigational equipment reported by pilots of Flight 19. Vanishing planes, ghost ships, and powerful invisible forces of nature. The Bermuda Triangle remains a place where our modern technology is humbled by the immense and terrifying power of the ocean. The disappearances are real. The causes remain buried in the silence of the deep, a chilling reminder that there are still corners of our world that defy explanation. If you are fascinated by the world's greatest unsolved mysteries, subscribe to Wild Legends. Tell us in the comments, what do you think is the most likely explanation for the secrets of the Bermuda Triangle?